Also learning tonight that fewer than 5 people were taken to the hospital following a carbon monoxide leak of some sort at a nursing home. All of this is happening at Nash and Francis Street in Terrell, which is just east of Dallas. Aaron Jones got there in this last hour. Aaron, pop in, tell us what you can share with us right now.
Doug, we just spoke to the Terrell fire chief and he had some good news for us. He said it appears everyone seems to be okay, and at this point there is no active leak. Now you can see here behind me, this is still an active scene. We have the Terrell fire crews out here. They opened some of the doors. They've been opening and shutting them just to air the building out. Now they tell us that the call came in around 6:30 tonight. Someone noticed an elevated level of CO2 here at the Terrell Healthcare Center, and out of an abundance of caution, they moved people to another part of the building, a different wing, opened all the doors, and then less than 5 people were transported to the hospital. But again, they're all conscious and they're expected to be okay. Now we can see employees, they're walking around the building here tonight, and thankfully a spokesperson for the city says at this time it looks like it's all clear here. An ambulance bus was requested as a precaution, but no one has needed it. Now crews tell us they'll still probably be out here for a little while tonight monitoring the situation, but again, it appears everyone is going to be okay. Reporting live in Terrell tonight, Aaron Jones, CBS News, Texas.